Ka MLA ka sutnga saipung konsensi ka kong Santa Marisela. Habashim mentah ka mang tengka mentah sengi. Kala aku beli ka sorkar nak mentah ki kampen roy balawan ra ha konsensi jongka. Kata nanduk banchnapan bahaya usrok National Highway 6 kata Jowai Malidor. Bat kiwai ke bedang syok mang tengka kum usrok na pohorkat. Hadu hakawa prang kuba don kasau kilometer. Sonapur borghat. Bajrong live kundai kilometer usrok PMGSY Sumer berusrok RIDF Hajalapen. Kalau ong ba mencua juyok kum kini ki kampen roy hapok konsensi. Kalau ai khoblai ru ya ka sorkar ya ka jingmang pisa banchnapen bhai ki LP school ki badan hamentriang khaddom tongseng donaskor berkerpang ru bala menjur bermenra ya ka model college is jentia nak bentak samla puli kiban puli ha kerdan degree level. Dak bakar pat ban bu ya kan college ha konsensi jongka namar ki jaka kalau don lupa.
Thank you, Mr. Deputy Speaker, sir, for the opportunity. I'll stick to the time given. Sir, I rise to extend my gratitude and appreciation to our Honorable Chief Minister and the government for the comprehensive and people's-friendly budget, which aims at the overall holistic development of our state, including my constituency. Sir, I'll just come straight to the point. So coming to the road sector, I would like to thank the government for many of the development given in my constituency, especially the upgradation of the NH6, Jowai Malidor, and the other which we have just recently received the sanction of 14.5 kilometers at Borkhat to Prang River, and the other location funds construction of the Borkhat Sonapur Road, that is 39.5 kilometers, and the PMGSY in the Sumer area, and then RIDF in the Jalapet, internal road of the Jalapet. I would like to commend the government for giving such development that during my time and the government, we really appreciate their work and appreciation, since in many years we have never got such kind of sanction and we have never got such kind of development in this constituency. So coming to, we've also received, coming to the trade sector, we have also received border hut at Huroi village, which is yet to be inaugurated. And coming to the education, on this very important topic of education, I would like to take the opportunity to mention my sincere gratitude towards the government. Sir, the allocation of funds towards the construction of many new government LP schools, like the building at Muntriang, Mbolse, Saibol, Turuk, Khaddum, Tongseng, and the Dona School. The schools shall ensure that every child access to quality education and a prosperous future. I'm also grateful and delighted that the government has approved the setting up of the East Jaintia Model College for degree students, which shall be of great steps to improve literacy, bring about welfare, and provide significant opportunities for the students of East Jaintia Hills. So I wish to draw the attention of the government to set up the East Jaintia Model College at my constituency, as the land is available for the same. So coming to the health sector, I'm immensely grateful to the government to ensure the improvement of health facility, especially the PHCs and sub-centers that are in my constituency. The construction of staff quarters at various locations such as Molite Sub-Center, Rengkok, Umkerpong, Jalapet, Brisume, Sakhain, Lelat, Molamliang, Mulian, Turuk, Khaddum, Huroi, Lama, and so on, sir. Through this, the PHC, we have also received, in additional to that, the PM ABHIM scheme, which have also given the allocated funds to to establish a sub-center in these villages like the Saibol, Daistong, Lammerseng, Jalapet, Brisumer, and Kulpui. These initiatives will go on a long way in ensuring better healthcare access to our people, and is also a step forward in ensuring that our healthcare workers are provided with the necessary facilities to serve our people effectively in their healthcare mission. I also extend my sincere gratitude to the government for the timely and significant decision to allocate funds for the construction of 50-bedded critical care block at Clearwater District Hospital. This initiative will greatly enhance the health infrastructure in our district. Sir, I'm also optimistic that the government has granted 3 mining licenses for scientific mining, and the other stages of approval, which is projected to bring a revenue of about 797 crores in 2025-2026. Mining of coal in my constituency and the district of East Jayantha Hills has been an area of great importance over the years, and steps taken by the government in this budget shall positively lead to the betterment and welfare of the people of our district and the environment and the state as large. I would like to also thank the government from the sports sector, especially to our Honorable Chief Minister and the Minister in charge, for laying of synthetic football turf in my constituency. This shall also be of greatly promote the welfare and development of the sports person and youth of my constituency. Sir, I must congratulate the government for the introduction of the Meghalaya Mission 10 with the vision and objective to make our state into a $10 billion economy by 2028, and for the memorandum submitted to the 16th Finance Commission, and also for all the developmental projects program and steps taken by the government in this budget. So before I conclude, I would like to take this opportunity to raise some pressing concerns that continues to challenge my constituency, that requires the government's intervention and action aimed at the welfare and development of my constituency. First, Lisa, I would like to highlight the deteriorating condition of the following roads, that is the Sutunga Saipung Kanar Road, which is a stretch of 66 kilometers, the Lama Borkat Road, 10.21 kilometers, Sutunga Kadum Road, that is 20 kilometers. I urge, sir, and request the government to expedite action in this regards. I sincerely hope that it will receive the necessary attention and action from the government. Secondly, sir, I would like to request the government to kindly consider and allocate funds for the upgradation of Semisi Sub-Center to a full-fledged PHC proposal, of which has been already sent from the district level to the Directorate of Health Services. The upgradation will ensure the people in my constituency, particularly from...
Honorable Member, please wind up.
It's almost finished, sir. From Sumer area, which will get access to urgent medical attention and best possible care without having to travel a long distance. So lastly, sir, I'd like to urge and request the government of the day to look into the matter of the Lumshnong CNRD block for a proper functioning of this block, sir. So I would like to say with these few words that I request and I would like to urge the government to kindly look into these matters of my constituency. With these few words, sir, I resume my seat.